All right. Hello, guys. Uh, haven't made a video in a long time. Okay, today I wanted to make this short video on Fibonacci retracement. Okay, uh, this is a very useful tool. Okay, Fibonacci retracement is not an indicator; it's just a tool. Okay, for you to find your discount and your premiums. Okay, it helps you find correct POIs. Okay, it helps you to look for um look at POIs that you're supposed to be looking at, not unnecessary POIs. Okay, so it's just about finding your premium and your discount. Okay, this is the Fibonacci tool that I'm talking about. In case there's someone who has never seen a Fibonacci retracement before, this thing here, this is the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you can see numbers here, the 0.78, 0.7, 0.61, 0.5. Okay, so these numbers, they all mean something. Okay, yeah, there's a reason I edited them like just like this. Okay, they mean something. So Fibonacci retracement, I just want to make something clear here. Okay, some people, this is very wrong way of using a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you shouldn't use this tool for entries. Okay, don't use Fibonacci retracement for entries. Okay, Fibonacci retracement should be used for you to, it will help you find correct POIs. Okay, so what I mean by that is you have two sections on a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you have um the area below this 0.5. So this 0.5 here, this is the middle of the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, down here below the 50, this 0.5 is just 50% in short. Okay, so below this 50% here, this area down here, this is a discount, it's called a discount. Okay, and then above there, that's a premium. And in trading, you want to be buying in a discount and you want to be selling in a premium. Okay, that is how it's supposed to work. All right, so uh, this is what I mean. Like, let me just give you a simple example. Okay, even in the physical real world, okay, in business, uh, you want to buy something at a cheaper price. Okay, you want to buy something at a cheaper price. Not, you don't want to be buying when something has already gone up, then you start buying. No, you want to buy it at a cheaper price. Also, when you are the one selling, you want to put the price high for you to sell. Okay, you don't want to sell it when it's cheap. Okay, you want to you want to sell something it's expensive actually. Okay, so premium is just expensive. Okay, discount is just cheap. Okay, so that's the analogy. Okay, so uh, Fibonacci retracement. I said in the beginning that is going to help you find your POIs. So for me, I only draw two POIs. Okay, the decisional POI and the extreme POI. The extreme POI is the last POI that you find in this leg here. Okay, the last, let me remove this first. This is the extreme POI here. Um, so if you don't, okay, so I've already taught uh, structure mapping. If you don't know structure mapping, you can just watch the video again and then you can come back to this. You can't find your POI if you don't know how to mark your structures. Okay, if you don't know how to mark your structure correctly, how to map your structure correctly, it's really going to be very hard for you. Okay, you just be everywhere taking unnecessary trades. All right, so this is what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, after drawing, by the way, let me remove this. Okay, so you can see there's already a break of structure here. Okay, so you don't just draw your Fibonacci retracement anyway. Okay, so you can already see there's a break of structure here, which means this level here is your last low here. Okay, this point here, this is your last low. Let me just show you where everything is coming from. Yeah, okay. So this is your last low. This one here was just another POI here from the other trade. The other trade, yeah. Okay. So the moment the moment you see a break of structure here, as I say in structure mapping, this is your what? Your last low, okay? And then you can already see we have inducements there. Even down here, you can see pullbacks here. So that's just inducement, okay? So you draw your, if it's an uptrend, you draw your Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. Okay, you don't start from the high to the low, no, unless you are selling. When you are in an uptrend, you are buying. Okay, so you draw from the low to the high. Okay, so this is how you draw from the low here to the high. Okay, that's your high. So you can clearly see this was a decisional POI here. This was a decisional POI. This was a decision of POI. This is where the market reacted to. Now you can clearly see here. Uh, Let me make this darker. Let me make it darker. Let me just make it red. Okay, so you can clearly see on 0.5 here. Okay, the even the decision of POI was below 0.5. Okay, it was already in a discount. Okay, you can clearly see that there are order blocks above there. Okay, there are order blocks there, but I will not draw these order blocks. Okay, I want the price to be cheap. Okay, before I buy. All right, now you only take trades. Even here, you don't just buy immediately, just touches your POI and then you buy. No, when you see a trading setup, I already posted the video of trading setup that you should be looking for when the market is in your POI. You can just go back to that video and watch it. Okay, I won't teach it here. All right, so look for that setup, and then if it shows up, then yes, you can buy. If it doesn't, just let it go. If it doesn't show up, in most cases, you just find that it just goes through, and then maybe goes to the extreme, and then the setup forms somewhere in here, and then starts rallying now. Okay. All right. So the Fibonacci, that's its use. Okay. You can use it as long as you can clearly see the break of structures here. The break of structures. Let me show you. Even from here, you see the break of structure is here, and this was the last low here. So I'm starting from here to there. Okay, from your low to your high. Okay, you can clearly see where the 50% is. So you are looking for a POI below. Okay, below here. Okay, this is the area where you're looking for a POI. All right, so just peeping closer. Okay, below here. Can you see any POI? All of them have been mitigated here. Okay, so I draw on order blocks. Okay, and an order block is supposed to have a fair value gap before it. Okay, if there's no if there's no fair value gap, then I want to draw that as an order block. Okay, so the first order block that popped up here was this one. Okay, this guy right here. Okay, this guy right here was the what? Was the order block that popped up. Okay, you can clearly see a fair value gap right here. Okay, and then the extreme POI is just down here. Okay, this one here. This is your extreme POI. Okay, I didn't draw it because I didn't have to, because the market, I already found the setup in here. Okay, so there was no need of drawing a POI. Let me show you the setup that I'm talking about. I don't even if you haven't watched the setup video, that I don't know, you guys just feel lazy to watch certain things. These things are free here. You don't even have to pay for them. Okay, these things are just free here. Okay, of course you can pay for maybe for personal interaction and personal interactions and all that, but these things are free. Okay, if you just put in a lot more effort. This is why I'm not doing this is why I'm not doing uh mentorships in December. Okay, we'll resume next year, maybe in January. I don't know. We'll see what's going to happen. So in here you can clearly see. So when immediately the market touches your, so this was the DPOI, this was your decision of POI. I don't mark my things as DPOI or yeah. I just know in my head that this is decision of POI, but just for the sake of teaching, we can do this. So let's just zoom in, okay? Okay, this is actually where we are currently. Let's just zoom in. I'll show you what's happening in this DPOI. Okay, this is what you need to be looking for. Okay, so in my in the entry setup video, I said that this is the structure that you need to be looking for. If it's in a cell, when it approaches your POI, it's supposed to look like this. Okay, it's supposed to look something like this, something like that. Okay, yeah, something like that. Okay, so imagine this is your POI. Okay, this is your POI. It has already touched your POI. Okay, I'm just giving you, even if you haven't watched the video. So this is what you are looking for. Okay, it has touched your for me, I use 15 minutes. Okay, and then for entry I use 1 minute. So this structure, you have to look for it under 1 minute if you are using the 15-minute time frame for analysis. This structure, you are looking for it under 1 minute. So here, the moment it just touches your what uh your POI, your 15-minute POI, this pullback here, this first pullback here, when it's cleared, this first pullback is going to act as your what? Your change of character here. Okay? This is your change of character. This is your change of character. Okay? And then what you are looking for before you enter, the moment you just see a change of character up there, look for inducement. Okay, if there's inducement here, then you're okay. Okay, if there's inducement here, then you're okay. Just wait for this inducement to be cleared here. Inducement cleared. This is inducement. Okay, this is your inducement. And then enter even under the 1 minute time frame, you find your what, your POI. Okay, it's going to be a fair value gap or an order block somewhere there. Okay, if you don't see it, don't enter. Okay, don't enter trades where you are not clear what you are looking for. Okay, if you don't see a fair value gap or order block, don't enter. Okay, just let it be. It's fine, you're not going to lose anything. So here, this is all you are looking for here. Okay, you enter in a 1 minute point of interest somewhere there, and then yeah, then you let it run. Okay, that's all you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. All right, so even here, okay, the market has already gone. It has already gone inside. Okay, so first we are looking for a what, a change of character. Now you can clearly see there's a change of character here. Okay, let me show you. What's happening. There's already this change of character happened right here, but here I don't see any point of interest. This has already been touched here. This candle right here, this was going to be your point of interest, but it has already been touched, so I wouldn't enter this one. I'm telling you, trading is going to teach you how to be disciplined. It's going to teach you how to be disciplined and very patient. Okay, of course the market went the right way, but I wouldn't enter there because I haven't seen what I'm looking for. I already have a change of character here. I also have inducement here, but I don't see a point of interest under the 1 minute time frame here. Okay, there's already what, change of character here. This is your change of character. I don't think this video is going to be short. Okay, this is a change of character. You have inducement here. These are all the things that we were looking for, not so. And your inducement is here. Okay, that's your inducement right there. Okay, but there's no what, there's no point of interest here, no fair value gap, or so I wouldn't enter here. Okay, now you can clearly see it's running away from you. It's running away from you. Imagine analyzing everything and then you're just watching it run. You're just watching it run. This is a recent trade I just took. Okay, so now look here, it came back. Okay, it came back to the POI. Okay, now look what happened again. Just after touching the POI, and look at the way it touched the POI. Okay, just after touching the POI, we have a what, a new we have a new what, a new change of character here. Okay, so you can clearly see this was our pullback here. Okay, which was taken. All right, and this was confirmed above here. This is the candle that confirmed the change of character, because it, even under 1 minute, for change of character here, make sure the candle closes above. Okay, this is where it happened. Okay, so there was a change of character. Let me just put it here. This is your change of character. This is the change of character. And where is the inducement? This is the inducement here. This is the inducement. Okay. All right. So we have inducement. Okay. And we also have what? We also have an order block here with a fair value gap here. Okay. This is not an order block. This is not an order block. An order block is this one. These two are within this one. Okay. So this is your order block. This guy right here. This is your order block. Okay. So all of this is happening under 1 minute. Okay. All of this is happening under 1 minute. Okay. We just zoomed in. Our analysis is based on 15 minutes. Okay. Now you can see how accurate this was. Okay. It just tapped in after clearing the inducement, tapped into the order block, and then started flying. Okay. So you could have entered here and then put your stop loss below the what? Below this low here. Okay. Your stop loss won't be below here. That's way too big. Okay. Your stop loss is going to be below the what? Below the last low under the 1 minute time frame. Okay. After the choke has happened. All right. So going back to the Fibonacci. Going back to the Fibonacci. Okay, I only did 2 trades here. Yeah, I only did 2 trades. I normally do 3, but I only did 2 trades here because I only found 2 opportunities. So yeah, I only found here and then the rebound that came back. Yeah, so one closed right here, and then the other one closed. No, it just closed here. Yeah. So Fibonacci. I hope. Okay, let's look at any other another chart. Let's see. Okay, V25. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, you can see. So for trades, guys, you don't need to be taking trades on one instrument. If you are using one instrument, if you are just trading one market, sometimes you won't have a trade the whole day. Okay, and it's fine. Don't force any trades. Okay, you can clearly see these things that I've marked here. These were the points where I took trades. Okay, these are the points where I took trades. Okay, I don't just take trades anywhere. Some of the trades look really nice, but I won't take them because I can't see what I'm looking for. Okay, I like being in my comfort zone. Yes, I won't take a trade just because it's a trade. No. Okay. So yeah. Yeah. So even here, the moment you see a change of character, here there was a change of character, which means instead of drawing your Fibonacci retracement from low to high, now you are drawing from what? From high to low, because now you are selling in a premium. Okay. So here you go like this, you draw from your high to your low, from your high to your low, You can clearly see 50% is here. Okay, this is where your 50% is. So after 50%, where can you see any first order block here? Where is your first order block going to start from? Your order block is going to be here. Okay, this is your first order block. Okay, after clearing out inducement here, this is going to be your first order block. Okay, and this is where it was entered. Okay, this blue line here is just the optimum trade entry. Okay, this zone actually between 60 0.61, which is just 62% to 79% here. This area is like the optimal trade entry. There are high quality trade that happens here. The reason I won't even lie to you, I don't know. But they just tend to react a lot more when the POI is in this zone. Okay? Yeah. The reason I won't give you, because even me, I don't know. The only logical reason I can give is that it's way cheaper as you go up. Okay, since you are selling, I mean, it's more expensive when you are going up. Okay, since you are selling, so it becomes more and more what? Uh, the probability increases of you having a good trade. Okay, as you go up. Okay, so since you are selling here, it's becoming more and more expensive. That's the only logical answer I can give you. Yeah. So on every trade, that's what you do. Okay. On every trade, that's what you do. There's no need of you doing okay. This thing it feels boring, but it's really worth it. Okay, it's really worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Okay, so you can just be drawing these things like this everywhere you go. You can see the 0.5 is here. Yeah, it hit into the POI there and then started, you know, here when it changes direction, here, mhm, here it changed direction. Okay, so you focus now yourself, your focus should go to discounts now. Okay, here you can clearly see I didn't trade here. Okay, despite the market taking out this inducement and then going, let me show you. Despite that happening, I didn't trade because it didn't go into my zone. Okay, you can clearly see 50% was all the way down there, but it just cleared out this inducement and into some other block and then started going up. So now you can even see the difference. Okay, when you enter somewhere when it's really cheap, when you're buying where it's cheap, and then your take profit is up there, you can even see the amount of money that you're going to make compared to this. This is very short. Okay, because you are buying when it's still expensive. It's still expensive. Imagine, even if you, let's say you, it actually went your way. Okay, it's expensive and then you only take, these are coins. Okay, you can't limit yourself to that. All right, you need to get, of course you can't get everything, but you have to get at least 80%. Okay, 80% of the move. Okay, that's why you have to buy it when at least it has, at least let it touch the 50%. Okay, if the POI is just at the 50%, it's fine. Okay, Don't trade just because it has reached your 50%. No. Here we are trading point of interest. Okay, look for there's a reason they are called points of interest. Okay, you're looking at a point of interest because you are interested in, you are looking for something in that zone. Okay, here there was just a short mumbo jumbo. Here there was a break of structure there. I don't know who asked this question. I don't know if it was one of my students or it was through YouTube. I don't know. They were confused when this is happening. What am I supposed to do? You are not just do what you're supposed to be doing. What you've been doing all along. Okay, there's no need to be confused here. If you see a break of structure, and then all of a sudden there's a new change of character, break of structure, like they are short term. Of course, that's the market. Okay, if you lose it here, you're going to mess up a lot. Okay, just for the market gives you what it gives you. Okay, so just do what it's doing, just follow it. Don't try to make something up in your head and then think that everything is just going to fall into place. No. Okay, just follow it, just do whatever it's doing. Okay, so mm, here there was a new and you have to be precise with these. Okay, yeah, yeah, so you can see this was the first point of interest below the 0.5 mark. Okay, and it reacted to that. It didn't even go all the way. It just closed on this IFC candle here and then started riding to the downside. Okay, here you can still make some money here. Okay, there was just a failure swing there and then it just started coming down. Okay, here you can still make money. These are a lot of candles. Okay, if you open like two trades here, you can close one here, put your stop loss on break even, and then wait for the other to reach that top. Okay, but here you can clearly see it just came back. It would have taken out your break even, which is fine. You've already run away with your money. Okay, so okay, so there was a what was happening here? Why did I mark this? Oh, yeah. I don't know why I marked it like that. Here it was supposed to be change of character. It was even supposed to be change of character. Yeah. And then it went back up. Yeah. It went right back up. Immediately changed character there. Here it just played around. It didn't close in there. So it would have been a direct change of character. There was a short term trade there, even there, even there, until it broke through here. Okay. Okay, so you have to follow every step. Okay, so this change of character happened on 3rd December, and then I think there was someone who asked why would there be consecutive changes of character. So this especially when it's like consolidate, you can see the movement here, like they are not really straightforward compared to like what was happening here. Okay, you can see like it's easy to follow, but here you can get it started from there. Okay, no wonder here even the trades were just short term here. Okay, all right, So don't fumble, don't stop marking just because it's doing this. Mark it. If you see a clear set, you can see there was no clear setup here. Okay, a clear setup just started forming there. Okay, and when you see a clear setup, most of the time you just find that it's like the market now is like the market is now breathing. Okay, it's okay for it to move on. Okay, so here, even here, okay, so I'm just showing you how to draw these things. Okay, this is the last law. So from here to there. Okay, even here you can see this was the last POI. So you draw that. The extreme POI was down here. Okay, I didn't draw it because I didn't need it. The market already reacted to the decision POI. Okay, so below that you find a buy setup somewhere there. You start running with it, and this is the current market actually. Yeah, yeah, and here there was, okay, show you why I drew this there. Okay, below the 50%, that was the first order block. You can clearly see the lot down here. Okay, but the extreme is somewhere here, just near the optimum trade entry here. Okay, if it goes through here, if it goes through here, then we can look for, but my trades, okay, one trade was already closed here. Okay, the other one is just waiting for, if it goes down, then it will go into, um it will just go into break even. Okay, because I'm still expecting, if it goes down here, then this is the last POI here. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do it, guys. You can do it on, I don't know what you trade, but yeah, this is going to help you a lot. Yes, this was uh another trade that happened in the afternoon. It was so quick, this one. It was really, really quick. Yeah. So here, if it starts going down, uh I think it's now it's the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement is not the only tool that you can use for. This is why I'm saying that the Fibonacci retracement is not an indicator. Okay, like even just looking at this, I can tell that this order block is going to be the first order block that I'll be looking at. Okay, this one right here. Okay, I can tell that this one is okay. Okay, so let's just do this. Mm. Yeah, so you can really tell that, okay, this order block is under 50, is below 50%. You can clearly tell. Okay, so this one I can draw it as an order block. Now I can't draw it right now because this high here has not been confirmed as your high, okay, as my high. So this is only going to be confirmed as high uh if this inducement is taken out, then this has been confirmed as my high, so I can draw it to there. Otherwise the market might still go up there, and then we might move this to there. So yeah, no wonder I haven't drawn any order block here yet. Okay, so yeah, this is how you draw fib retracement. Another tool that you can use is the Gann box. The Gann box. So the Gann box. These things are just they just show 50% of 50%. It's like they are just separating something. Okay. just a separation. So this is the Gann box. This is the Gann box. If you want, you can use this Gann box. So red, that's premium or selling point. Uh, green, that's discount or buying point. Okay, no, not buying point, buying zone. All right, it's a zone. Okay, it's a discount zone and a premium zone. All right. Now this has not been confirmed as the high yet. I'm just using it as a as an example. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's how you use your Fibonacci retracement. It's not an indicator. Okay, it's just a measuring tool, just to find zones that you need to be looking at. Okay, so for me, I always try my best to be as accurate as possible. I hope you also do the same. Okay, in trading, you don't need to be losing a lot of money when you lose a trade. Just lose a little, look for a new setup, and win big. Okay, even avoiding certain trades. You don't have to be trading on any POI that you just see, whether it's in a premium or a discount. You just look at it. You don't a setup, a trading setup hasn't formed. You still enter. You are forcing trades. You are forcing yourself to lose a lot of money. Okay, so make sure uh is you just need to master structure mapping and trade setups. Okay, if you master these two, I'm telling you, it's going to make a huge difference. Okay, structure mapping and then trade entries. You already know, I've already shown you how you can mark your point of interest. Okay, how to find other blocks. There already there's already a video for that. Fair value gaps, we already have a video for that. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what else. This information is free, guys. Okay, so just remember that for um for fibs, okay, the Fibonacci retracement, it's only used for you. It's only used to help you find correct POIs. Okay, and avoid looking at unnecessary POIs. Okay, don't look at unnecessary POIs. Look at the POIs that really matter. All right. Okay, guys. I think that's that. I just wanted to make this video. I said that it was going to be short, but I think I always lie to myself. Uh, okay. If there are any questions, you can post them in the. You can write them in the comment section. And if as you can see, today I wasn't using PowerPoint because I've seen they are set. So my channel is the Telegram channel is still open. And if you have questions, especially you guys that like asking certain questions that need specific answers, I'm not charging for anything. Okay, maybe for the ebook. Yes, the ebook you definitely have to buy. But I mean, you don't really need to spend anything. Like for real. I know the ebook covers a lot of stuff, but there are specific questions that you can just ask. If I attend to you, I'll tell you what you are supposed to be looking for. Um, that's on Telegram. Okay, you can just send your message with a chart, okay? Especially on structure mapping. On structure mapping, so I'm only doing this for this December. Okay. I'm doing this is free. Okay. I'm only doing this for December. Okay. I'm just trying to help you out here. Okay. You can draw your structure mapping. I can point out some errors. If you are behind on POIs, I can help you with that. Okay. if if you think that maybe the responses are too slow or whatever, there's always an ebook. I'm not doing mentorship. You can keep your money. Keep your money. uh okay, I'm really really trying my best to help you guys, and I really hope someone is going to benefit from this. I just hope that as time goes on, as we are entering 2024, your mindset just changes. Okay, there's no need of you blowing your account. That is just not supposed to be happening at all. Okay, blowing accounts should be a thing of the past. Okay, I want you guys to be making money. Real money, okay? Not just making money, but growing, okay? These things are simple. I'm telling you, these things are simple, okay? There's no need of you to be stressing over nothing, okay? There's nothing stressful about trading. For me, the only thing that stresses me out sometimes is when I miss a trade. Okay. I haven't lost anything, but I just missed it. After analyzing the chart, and by the way, you should learn how to set your alerts. Okay. I don't just sit on my trades like this the whole day. No. Like after drawing this POI here, um after drawing this POI here, I'll set an alert, okay, on my MT5. Okay, I set an alert. The moment the market just approaches this level here, I receive an alert on my phone. Okay, an alert comes and then I open my laptop to see what's happening, and then I start waiting for a setup on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, that's what I do. I don't just wait. You can't wait the whole day just for the market. The market can just be like the way you can see what's happening here. Okay, you can't wait the whole day for this. You have other stuff that you can be doing. Okay, and it's festive season. Okay, we need to be with our family, friends, and whatever. Okay, so set your alerts when it just when you receive a notification, you open your laptop. I don't know what you use. You wait for a setup. If your setup shows up, you enter. You start when you close your laptop again. That's all. There's no need of stressing. Okay. So my Telegram is still open. Okay. DEONTRADES, the Telegram channels. You can contact me. There's information on my YouTube. What do they call it? I don't know. But there's you can contact me directly. Okay. You can ask some questions. I can help you out. I don't know if you will ever get this this chance again. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen in 2024. All right. So guys, I just wanted to help you out with this. All right. There are other videos that I'm sorry I haven't. Sheesh, I've been everywhere lately. That's why I haven't been uploading any videos. So yeah, today I just wanted to give you this. Okay. All right. This has been Dion Trades. Until next time, happy trading.